Hey, are you active duty? Are you a veteran? Need a few tips in the VA loan process and what it all means to you? All that and more, and quickly, because the kids are hounding me for some ice cream. So soon after this video, off to JJ's Ice Cream Shop we go. Stay tuned, this is Vasilios and you're watching Fastlane. If this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest actionable tips from a local realtor that actually save you time, save you money, and result in a smooth real estate deal, give us a like, hit the subscription button below, and smack the bell icon so you don't miss any content. Now, onto it. Serving our nation is not an easy job, but there are a few choice benefits. The VA loan, for example. You might be able to finance your home for 0% down if it qualifies. VA loans are backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. Other benefits of this loan include low interest rates and low closing costs, and the ability to forego PMI. The VA program was first instilled in 1944, just a little history. The VA process mimics that of a conventional loan, but there are a few key points to be aware of. You can get started without your COE. It is issued by the VA as proof that you have fulfilled your service recs to be eligible. It is considered as your gate to getting a VA loan. No, it's not absolutely necessary, however, to get started. You do not need your COE. You might be able to begin the process and get pre-approved. During the loan process is when your COE is actually verified. So to start out, it's not actually needed in the beginning of the process. Many believe you need to produce this document yourself, however. Mortgage lenders are able to procure that document for you. However, if you are cautious and you want to make sure that your requirements are met, it is advisable that you request your COE before beginning the process. Your credit score still matters, but it's not everything. VA loans generally offer better interest rates and loan terms than a conventional loan, even if you don't have great credit. Now, the VA does not set the minimum credit score benchmark. Your score does still have a bearing on what rate and terms that you qualify for. The lenders will still need to run your credit score and approve you for your loan and determine your actual interest rates, just as a conventional loan would. Don't fear if your credit isn't the greatest. Lenders generally can be more flexible with a VA loan and will look at your complete financial picture in order to determine your eligibility for the rates and terms. Regardless of your credit score, in many cases, it's a good idea to have a copy of your recent credit report, so that way there are no surprises before you apply and begin the process. This holds true for a VA loan and other conventional loans. Make sure you have enough saved. Now, there's a huge misunderstanding that because a VA loan doesn't require a down payment, you won't have to pay anything up front and out of your pocket. You don't need a down payment. Yes, this is true. However, you are still responsible for closing costs and the following fees: loan origination fees, application fees, insurance, taxes, recording fees, appraisal fees, home inspections, and a few other brokerage fees and other third-party fees as well. Lastly, of all these fees, there's also a fee called the VA funding fee. This fee is generally a one-time payment in which it actually enables the VA loan to have such favorable terms for service members and families. Some of these previous costs may be rolled into your loan, but will also, of course, result in a higher monthly payment. So it is still wise, even for a VA loan, to build a nest egg before you begin the home buying process. When you're seeking a VA loan, you still need to shop for lenders. There are very many reputable lenders that exclusively cater to military members, veterans, and military spouses and their families, some of which include Veterans United, USAA, and Navy Federal, but it always still pays to shop around and compare multiple offers from different lenders. It is also possible to shop around and compare mortgage rates from several lenders with just one credit inquiry, as long as you go through a mortgage broker. Some of the items you will need to produce to your lender when it comes time to get pre-approved will be the following: form of ID, social security number, proof of income, W-2s, most recent tax returns, statement of assets, statement of expenses. So pretty standard fare. Next tip is you need to hire a real estate agent that is savvy. It's important to find a realtor who has expertise in helping service members along the VA process. The home itself needs to be eligible for a VA loan. You must meet certain requirements. So if you have a realtor that knows the market and also what the VA will allow, it is crucial to help getting you the best deal possible. Choosing a property that's VA approved. The VA program was designed as an owner-occupied program. This means you can't use this loan program to purchase a vacation property or an investment. It must be the primary residence of the borrower. Many condos themselves may not qualify for this program as well. All properties will need to pass a VA appraisal for loan eligibility. The appraisal is conducted by someone chosen by the VA and their purpose is to identify whether the property is in proper condition, everything is properly working, and that the selling value is in accordance with similar properties. Now, VA appraisal is to make sure that the property is safe, structurally sound, and free of health hazards. The property also must have adequate living space, mechanical systems must be usable and safe, heating must be adequate, water needs to be available, the roofing must be adequate, i.e. the roof will have to last a minimum of 3 to 5 years, basements and crawl spaces must be problem-free, it needs to be safely accessible from the street, no health and safety concerns, no defective construction, no lead-based paint, flaking, and/or termites. Now, in closing the deal, you must complete the VA's minimum occupancy requirements at closing. It's a document that you must certify that you intend to occupy the property as your home. The VA considers 60 days from your closing date as a reasonable time frame for you to occupy the property. If you're not able to do so in your active duty, a member or a spouse or dependent may satisfy this requirement for you by moving in first. In some instances, this can be extended up to a full year, so this is something to consider before applying for a loan. Hey guys, if there's anything in the world that you want to talk about or have a question, reach out anytime. No obligation, really. 508-821-8835. It could be about the weather, cars, racing, real estate, whatever. Now, if you like this video, then check out these at the top of your screen. And if you need a guy like me, I have a guy like me's info in the description below. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.